সরকারকে, মামাটি মানুষের সরকারকে অনেক অসম্মান করা হয়েছে, অনেক অপমান করা হয়েছে। সোশ্যাল যারা সাধারণ মানুষ জানতেন না যে এর মধ্যে একটা কালার আছে। মানুষ এসেছিলেন বিচার চাইতে তিলোত্তমার, কিন্তু আশা করি মানুষ বুঝতে পারছেন চায় না, ওরা চাই চেয়ার। আমি মানুষের স্বার্থে এমনকি নিজে পদত্যাগ করতেও রাজি আছি। আমার মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর পদ চাই না, কিন্তু আমি চাই মানুষ বিচার পাক, তিলোত্তমা বিচার পাক, আর সাধারণ মানুষ চিকিৎসা পাক।
Well, it was a 2 hour and 10 minutes full-fledged thriller, we can say. The doctors, they came here, the 32 doctors, they waited outside. The Mamata Banerjee Chief Minister waited inside, and then the doctors said that live streaming is essential. Without live streaming, they will not go inside. On the other hand, the Chief Secretary, the DG, they came and they spoke to the students. The students were hell-bent, come what may, they are not going to go inside the meeting until and unless there is live streaming. And then came the big statement from Mamata Banerjee. She clearly said that for people's interest, if people want, then she is ready to resign. Now definitely it's a counter pressure on the doctors, and on the other hand, the administration clearly showing that 3 times they approached them and the meeting did not happen. On the other side, the junior doctors also hell-bent in their point. They are saying that they never wanted any chair. They have not spoken of any resignation of Mamata Banerjee. What they wanted is justice for Abhaya. What they wanted is cleaning of the system. What they wanted that the people who created problem in the system, they should go, and they also waited here. They will continue to wait for the next call, and also the cease work is going to continue. So absolutely a deadlock situation from the administration side and also from the junior doctors side. Mamata Banerjee clearly putting a counter pressure with an emotional way, stating that she's born in all types of movement, she has done movement, she does not need chair. If required, if for people's interest, she is ready to resign. On the other hand, the doctors clearly saying that that was not at all their demand, they don't want it. Now where this will go, definitely the administration is in embarrassment. The administration is in pressure. The police, the administration, entire administration is in pressure, no doubt. There has been a lot of wrong steps by the administration for which they have to really pay for it. That's a very big thing. On the other hand, it's now almost 34 days and students still continuing with the cease work. Where is the way out? Both the sides definitely, at sources from both the side tell CNN News 18 that both the side wants to come out and wants to solve this problem. But the big question, the incident which happened today, the 2 hour 10 minute thriller that happened here in Nabarno, we are saying thriller because there were minute by minute updates, and the administration tried to convince, they tried to show that they are waiting. The Chief Minister herself is waiting for more than 1 hour. On the other hand, the doctors also trying to show that they are for the people, and this is the biggest movement of not only the Bengal but the country, and that's why whatever their demand is, that demand needs to be heard. Where is the way out? How will the way out come? That's the biggest question which Bengal will be asking.